I've got all the details for customization number 3. So if you want to see what you can choose in your FabFitFun Spring 2025 box and learn all about the products, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe and Bandit are off in the other room, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We hope you decide to stay. We love all things FabFitFun here, and if you're watching, we think you do too. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so let's get into customization 3. There's a lot of great choices in here. The first one being high on my list is the Desi Skin Overnight Moisture Mask. It is a $48 value, and it is from Desi Perkins, who is a YouTube influencer, or who was. I don't know her, but I liked everything I read about this particular overnight mask. An overnight mask simply is a moisture cream that you put on that's deeply moisturizing for your skin. This has amino acids, vitamin C, and B12. It is vegan and cruelty-free with no fragrance, gluten, or parabens. You're going to get a 50 milliliter size, and it has aloe, watermelon fruit extract, lentil, apple, acai, mango, avocado, guava, tamarind, sugarcane, sodium hyaluronate, orange, lemon, and sugar maple extract. I believe it also has dragon fruit extract in there. That's part of like their proprietary blend. It got 4.9 stars. Now, there were only 135 reviews, but most thought it was very moisturizing and lightweight. People were like, this is my new everything. Like, this is just my new go-to. Try it. You won't be upset. So that is definitely one of my choice items. Next, by Murad, is the AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. It's a $37 value, and it is gluten, sulfate, and phthalate free. It ships everywhere. It has jojoba esters, glycolic acid, lactic acid, and salicylic acid. It got 4.6 stars with over 5,000 reviews, and over 700 of them said it improves their skin. It improved their skin texture. With also many people saying it cleans well, it's gentle, it moisturizes well, it doesn't dry their skin, and it has a good texture. Now, on the other side, the people who didn't like it said that it doesn't lather, and they didn't like that. They had to use a lot of product. They didn't feel like it cleaned their skin. It definitely didn't remove makeup. So on that side, people were not happy with it. I think it's a perfectly good product. I think I probably have this somewhere. I have so many Murad products, so it's not even on my radar. Next, by Moroccan Oil, is the all-in-one leave-in conditioner. And that ships everywhere. The Moroccan Oil all-in-one leave-in conditioner, it's a $32 value. You're going to get 5.4 ounces. It does ship everywhere, and it's a female-founded company. It has argan oil, pure amino acids, and a superfood blend and sunflower seed oil. It got 4.6 stars with over 8,000 reviews, and over 1,000 of them noticed that the scent was very pleasant, that it moisturized well, detangled well, adds shine, decreases frizz, doesn't weigh hair down, is good for curly textures, doesn't dry hair out, and adds volume. However, there were a number of people, particularly people with fine hair, who said it makes their hair look oily and stringy. They do have to wash their hair every day after using it, so use it in the morning, that night they're washing their hair, or however it is, but they did have to wash their hair every day if they were using it, because they felt that it weighed their hair down significantly. I have very fine, thin hair, so I'm not really sure if this is the right product for me. It may be better for people with more coarse or thicker hair. Next, by Molten Brown, is their bath and shower gel. It's a $35 value, and it's a 10-ounce size. You're going to have your choice between orange and bergamot, which is like orange and orange, or coastal cypress and sea fennel. This is a vegan brand. The reviews that I could find were on, besides their website, Amazon, It got 4.5 stars with 4,000 reviews, with people saying that they like the scent, the quality, the skin softening, the longevity, like it lasts a while, and the lather. However, there were a number of people who said that the scent was very strong and very masculine. And that was for the Coastal Cypress, I believe. And I believe that ships everywhere. Next, by Crystal Haze, is the Mini Serena Hoops in either gold or silver. The gold is valued at $85 and the silver at $65. And it does have this little crystal, looks like, you know, maybe cubic zirconia or just crystal, little stones throughout there. It is small, so it's about a ½ inch. It ships everywhere, and the company is female founded. I definitely am loving these in gold. Next, by Color Wow, is their Curl Wow Flow Entry Vital Natural Serum. It's a $30 value with jojoba, piquat, and coconut oils. This company is vegan and cruelty-free with no parabens, gluten, drying alcohol, or non-drying silicones. It says it is best for 3A to 4C curls, and one thing I noticed is that some of the people did not have those curls. They had like 2C curls or 2A or whatever it was curls, basically somewhere in the 2, which is more like what I have, just some waves, and they did not like it. But again, it's not for your hair if that's your type of curls. It's more for more curly hair. It did get 4.5 stars with only 200 reviews, with people saying it was hydrating and very light. And I think that was on Ulta. On Amazon, it got 4.2 stars with 400 ratings, with people saying they like the softness, the value, the curling ability, the frizz control, the scent, and the hydration. But again, those with those different hairstyles, different curl styles, said it was too thick and that the next day their hair felt oily. Now, I don't know if this would be good for my daughter's hair type. Her curls have gotten more waves, but that could be because of the length. But she doesn't really like those kind of products, so I don't think I'll be getting that. And then last, by Quiet Hours, is their facial ice roller. It's a $48 value. You're going to want to put this in the freezer about 15 minutes prior to use. It's not big. It's only about 5.5 inches long. And I couldn't find anything else on it. Oh, there is one more product, and it's another digital offer, and it's by Aloe Moves, and it's for 4 months, and it's a $51.96 value, so $51.96, and that's going to be an exercise platform for you. All right, so those are your customization 3. I think there's some really great choices in here. I do get 2 boxes, so I'm definitely getting that Desi product and the earrings. Those are going to be my 2 choices. And I'll show my daughter the Color Wow stuff. I don't know if she'll like it or not. If she likes it, I'll add it on. Or maybe if it comes in like one of the customized boxes that they do around a theme and it comes in there, I won't be mad about it. But not 100% psyched about that. But I think there's some great options in here. I don't need a facial ice roller. I already have the ice globes that I never use because they're in the freezer and I do my skincare in the bathroom. So I never quite get those 2 together. So this is definitely not on my radar. And the digital offer, again, I probably won't use it. So not very useful for me. But I think it's a great thing if, you know, you're into like trying all those digital or all of those types of venues for exercise, you know, particularly if you want to stay at home and do it, which is what I would want to do if I actually had time to do that. All right, so what would you choose if you got this box? Or if you are getting this box, what do you want to choose? And if you don't get this box and you want to give it a try, I do have a $10 discount code down below that you can use. It's going to get you $10 off of your first box. I think it just works for seasonal, but I'm not sure. The only difference between seasonal and annual is when you get to choose. Seasonal is behind the annual, so the annual is picked first, and then a couple weeks later, the seasonals get to choose. Sometimes they do put in different items though. Maybe they've run out of something, so they put something different in. So you never know. But you do get to choose every single customization item in there. So that is a great thing. That wasn't always the case, but now it doesn't matter. It does cost more though to get a seasonal. So if you're sure you're going to want FabFitFun, I would definitely go with that annual. But if you're not sure, try the seasonal. It's $10 off. You might like it. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It's totally free, but it would mean so much to us here in helping us grow. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.